We all agree tonight, all of the speakers have agreed that America has a very serious problem. Not only does America have a very serious problem, but our people have a very serious problem. America's problem is self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction. You head for self-destruction.
Well, today's topic, self-destruction, it really ain't the rap audience that's bugging. It's one or two suckers, ignorant brothers, trying to rob and steal from one another. You get caught in the mid. So to crush that stereotype, here's what we did. We got ourselves together so that you could unite and fight for what's right. Not negative cause. The way we live is positive. We don't kill our relatives. Back in the 60s, our brothers and sisters were hanged. How could you gangbang? I never ever ran from the Ku Klux Klan, and I shouldn't have to run from a black man, cause that's
self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction.
it's time to stand together in a unity. Cause if not, then we're soon to be self-destroyed, unemployed. D-rap race will be lost without a trace or a clue, but what to do is stop the violence and kick the science down the road that we call eternity, where knowledge is formed and you learn to be self-sufficient, independent. To teach to each is what rap intended, but society wants to invade. So do not walk this path that they laid. It's
self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction.
be nice, break it down like this.
Children growing, women producing, men go working, some do stealing.
Self-destruction. You head for self-destruction. Self-destruction.
This is all about, no doubt, to stop violence. But first, let's have a moment of silence. Swing.